So this is a highly requested video by people that stay in Botswana. So basically what I'm going to be doing in this video is taking you through 5 platforms that can help you to make money online as someone that stays in Botswana. So these are the 5 platforms. They're not the only 5 platforms that are out there, but these are the ones that I'm definitely sure of, and I also know how they work. So the first one is Sweatcoin. With Sweatcoin, you can redeem points related to walking. And when it comes to referrals, we can get actual money through PayPal. So we'll talk about PayPal another time since it's related to how you're going to get paid. And then the second one is called a pen. With a pen, you get paid for short-term projects. These projects can be related to maybe taking selfies, taking videos of yourself doing different tasks and so forth. And then the next one is current. With current, you usually get paid for listening to music, but there are surveys, games, and so forth. And then the fourth one is YSense. YSense has surveys. The fifth one is Clickworker. It's similar to a pen. So I hope